Hello, my name's Iggy Tan. I'm the Managing Director of Altech Batteries Limited. I would like to give you an update of the Silumina Anode project. It's in two parts. Firstly, the technology that we've got, and secondly, an update on our pilot plant in Saxony, Germany. Currently, with lithium-ion batteries, there is a limitation on graphite. The energy density of graphite is limited. So in order to produce higher density batteries, you need to be able to improve that. And silicon has 10 times the energy capacity compared to graphite. Unfortunately, silicon swells 300% in volume and it has a very large first cycle loss. At Altech, we had developed a technology where we can coat the silicon particles with nano layers of alumina. The biggest advantage is that it reduces swelling in the battery. Now, our next stage of technology advancement is to take these individual particles and create spheres. And what it allows us is to put these silicon spheres in voids of the graphite layer in the battery. And now we have proven that by just using 5% silicon in an anode part of the battery, it can improve the energy density at more than 60%. So very exciting development in our technology. And this really allows us to get this Silumina Anode product into the commercial side of lithium batteries. The other exciting update is the pilot plant that we have built in Germany. So the main reason of a pilot plant, besides producing some commercial samples, is to understand all the challenges that you would have in building the main commercial plant. So as you can imagine, dealing with breakthrough technology and dealing with ultra-fine particles, there can be quite challenging issues. And the whole period of time is a learning exercise. We have modified a lot of our flow sheets for the commercial plant, and this is exactly why a pilot plant is built. And now that we resolve some of the issues, we are now producing our Silumina Anode product, which is now destined for some of our interested customers. We have NDAs with some major German automakers that are very interested in using this product to increase the density of their anode material in order to produce a same size battery with longer range, which is very important to the EV industry. Or you can actually reduce the size of the battery and it reduces the cost of the battery. So there are two benefits, and that's why there's a lot of interest in our product, and the fact that we can now produce this in commercial quantities, we can now send to these customers to then start their testing and their qualification. So very exciting news. There has been a big challenge in resolving some of these issues, but we've now finally overcome these issues and we are now in pilot plant production.
Altech Batteries, developing critical battery technology without the critical minerals.